Hi everybody, it's another busy day here at home in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe. We are working on the garden, trying to revive the lawn. The lawn that we've planted here for some reason doesn't seem to be doing well. You can see that there are some patches that we've had to try and fill in. But we're trying. And over there you can see those beautiful palm trees, which I love very much, but they're very slow to grow. I don't know why. We've just added some manure. Hopefully that will help, but otherwise the trees are doing very well. It rained a lot this year during the rain season here in Bulawayo, and this is why the trees are so grown. In fact, they are overgrown. They need to be trimmed. You can see my helpers are doing a good job of taking care of the garden. The swimming pool still needs to be done. It's work in progress, but they've emptied the water which was in here. It needs to be cleaned and repainted. My helpers are also loading all the rubble, that had accumulated from the building works. And here, this pool house is going to be rebuilt. As you can see, it's falling apart. It's going to be rebuilt, and we'll probably add some nice changing rooms and showers and toilets in there. As for the gazebo, we're waiting for the thatcher to come and add the thatch, so that's still outstanding, but it's going to be very big. We're gonna hold some parties here, I hope, or just to come and relax and have a good time. Here's our this is our harvest from the maize that we grew this season. It's not a lot, and the bamboo tree there is doing very well. That's a mulberry tree. He hasn't got any fruits, but it does fruit when it's in season. You can see that we are now creating a kind of a hedge using some of the bamboo trees. It's a lot of work maintaining these houses. This is 1 acre of land. It goes way back over there behind. There's some cottages where the helpers live. There's our what we call a Jojo tank. I think the brand is Jojo. It's called Jojo. That's where we get our borehole water from. But we get a lot of birds as well. I don't know if you can hear some bird song in the background. I'll try and buy a bird feeder so that more birds can come. We did have quite a lot this morning, but it's just gone midday, sorry. So yeah, a lot of work going on here. All right then, gotta go into town and do some errands. Yeah, I just thought I would give you an update on my garden. But everything is going well. I'm lucky to have very good helpers. Anyway, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.